This is Dave Erb from Dave's internal components of your brake hydraulic system. That's why it does need to be changed periodically. Every 30,000 miles is a good mark to think of. When you do have to add brake fluid, all you really want to do is pull the cap off, see where your level is, get your fluid, make sure that you use the proper fluid for the vehicle. Some higher-end vehicles do use higher-end fluid, DOT 4 and above. DOT 3 is the most common. It should say it on the reservoir or on the cap to tell you exactly what you need. You just want to open your brake fluid and add. You got a steady hand, you don't need a funnel. You just add a little bit at a time. And it should be fine. This is also the most common reason for a brake light on your dash coming on. The red brake light, if it does get low, it does have a sensor on the side to let you know it is getting low. And that's a point you would check it as well. But you want to go ahead and check it at pretty much every oil change. And that's checking and adding brake fluid.